Before selling out your inverter batteries to people as scrap, you need to actually ask yourself the question, are you actually selling out scrap or you are selling out hidden treasures to them? Yeah, so you need to process this real quick. Now, there are reasons why your tubular battery or your dry cell battery will actually go bad within short period of time, and you will think the battery is actually bad, and there's actually nothing wrong with your battery. You're just selling out treasures, hidden treasures to all these people buying scraps. Now, what they would end up doing is they will take it to their house, charge it up, and then the battery will be as good as new again, or in most cases just service them. So number one, you need to know why your battery is behaving, how it is behaving. So very quickly, let's do an analogy. If your stomach hurts, you need to think about why your stomach actually hurts. Is it because you are hungry? Is it because you already have ulcer due to long starvation? Is it because you are feeling stomach pain or whatever? You don't just go and take medicine now. The same thing applies with all these batteries. You need to know why they behave, how they behave. One, is it because they are not charging properly? Two, is it because they are actually old? Three, is it because they are not properly hydrated? Whatever the case is, you need to know why they are behaving the way they are behaving. One, if they are not charging properly, the battery that is supposed to give you 10 hours backup would not give you 10 hours backup because it did not have enough time to actually refill itself after being completely depleted. Number two, if it's not properly hydrated, the same thing that happens to you, man, you tend to break down when you don't have enough water in your system completely. You tend to feel dehydrated most of the time. You feel weak. You don't feel strong again. That's the same thing that happens to your battery. Then number three, if the battery is not properly sized for what you are using it to do. Say for example, you told the installer, I want to use this for TV, fan, light bulb, and basic stuff like that. And you end up using it for your freezer. You end up using it to pump water. You end up using it for all these heavy stuff. With time, it is going to wear out. And before you know it, it's going to crash. Now, it might not crash in terms of completely down. It will crash in terms of recharge time because the solar panel that would actually come with the system will not be enough to actually take over your pumping machine during the day, meaning you have to go down to the battery. So the battery will not charge on time, it will not fully charge, and then you can't get enough from the battery also. So it means if you actually take that battery away from your house and we take it to another person's house who actually sticks to the rules of what the battery was designed to work for, the person will actually enjoy the battery just like they bought brand new battery. That's basically what is going to happen. So you need to know why your battery is behaving, how it is behaving. But if at the end of the day you find out that this battery is still not good, you can actually end up buying a new battery from CDK without breaking your bank. CDK allows you to buy anything, basically gadgets, TV, fan, devices generally, phones, laptop, washing machine, freezers. You can buy it and pay in installments up to 12 months. Without interest at all. So that's the cool part of it. And once you pay up to 50% of the amount that the item cost, they would actually have it delivered to your doorstep, and you can start using while you make your repayment with zero interest. And it is the easiest platform to actually get anything in Nigeria, like the Odogus. Nobody would even know you are doing installments. That's the cool part of it because they don't need guarantor. They don't need any affidavit. They don't need anything. Just download the CDK app on Play Store today. Install it on your phone, register an account, verify yourself, and that's basically everything. They will have the item delivered to you before you know yourself. So my name is Taiwo, and if you are not a follower of this channel, please do so by subscribing and let the channel grow so that you can enjoy cool content like this in the future. Bye.